Hi, I'm here with Dr. Jeffrey Rosenthal, who has been nominated the #1 plastic surgeon in Fairfield County and the state of Connecticut. Not once, not twice, but many, many times. And I'm honored to be sitting here with you, and I get the chance to talk to you because I have a lot of questions for you.
Thank you for coming.
Well, my first question for you is, why plastic surgery? Why do I trust you? Why are women having plastic surgery? And why are they coming to you?
Well, my patients come to me because they realize I've blended together the art and science of plastic surgery. I'm an artist. I've had art shows around the world with my painting and sculpting and photography. And the many, many years of training that I've had to undertake to become a plastic surgeon, I can bring that together to create a very unique look for the patient that is still very natural, that looks refreshed and brightened and toned instead of looking overworked or that you've had plastic surgery. There's a real difference. And they also know that when my patients come to me that I'm going to take the time it requires to do the surgery, so that I never rush through surgery. I don't run an assembly line either in my office or in the operating room. I like to do one major surgery a day and take my time so that the end results are the very best that I can make them. That's what I work for.
So you said you're a sculptor, and there's nothing more that I can think of is when you're creating through your artistic ability, you're creating someone's face to make it really balanced, I would think, and really natural, but balance, I think, is the key for, looking natural.
Yes, and the balance is what is key. It's not to make both sides of the face look identical. We're supposed to look harmonious. And if you look at attractive individuals, each feature isn't beautiful, but they blend well. And what I have to do is look at the features and blend them so that I can reshape the eyebrows, smooth out the forehead, or lift the cheeks and tighten the neck in such a way that it looks natural and doesn't look tight or windblown, which you will see on television and many individuals walking around the streets. So if it looks natural, then I've succeeded.
Absolutely, because we all know what that looks like if it's pulled, and it's scary because we're dealing with your face for the rest of your life. But I want to talk about something else that you do and that you're quite famous for, and that's the liquid facelift.
Yes, well, I describe it as the Rosenthal liquid facelift. And it's a combination of procedures that are non-invasive and sort of immediate gratification, which is great for both patient and myself. It combines Botox to smooth out the forehead, the lines, and the bulging muscles, but unlike many other physicians, I don't like to paralyze the forehead. It's to make it look smooth and a very pretty upper face, so I can raise the eyebrows that are droopy, open the eyes a little bit so they look bright, and smooth out the forehead so that there's still animation, but it looks relaxed. The other products are Radius, which is a calcium-based product in a gel, and it's placed along the cheekbone and along the front of the face to lift, contour, and sculpt the face. It actually helps by forming your own collagen, so your collagen is increased and it maintains the tone of your face.
Around the gel it forms?
The calcium is absorbed and is replaced with your own collagen.
Okay.
So it's doing a few things. Not only are you lifting and sculpting your face, but it's holding the skin so it's not being stretched like a rubber band all that time. And your own collagen is forming around the calcium, so it's actually forming your own face in a very nice way. The third product is Juvederm or Expression, which are hyaluronic acids. Hyaluronic acid is a product found naturally in our skin. These are all synthesized products, Radius and the hyaluronic acids that I use, and it's placed around the mouth for lip lines and to plump up some of the lips, but without making you look overdone. And so you have to sculpt and contour this area of the mouth that recedes as we age. The next product are skincare products, and that's to improve the lovely glow of the skin, and you pretty much do it on yourself as well as seeing our esthetician to enhance that effect. And the final product is something called IPL, or Intense Pulse Light. And this is, again, a non-invasive, painful procedure that works on the pigmentation of the face. So if you combine all of these procedures, you have a really lovely glow that's in a tone to your face, and it looks very, very natural. And fortunately, the products last a very long time.
Wow, but you can't do that all in one day.
I usually don't do them all at one time, especially when I'm sculpting the face. I like to sculpt it and actually mold it, and then I give 1 or 2 weeks for it to settle down. And then I add a little bit more radius and sculpt it again. It's like building a house. You build a platform, the platform sinks a little bit, and then you can sculpt and build a very lovely home on top of it. And that's what I do.
That is just amazing. Amazing. I mean, I'm just sitting here thinking he's looking now really close to the jowls and the wrinkles. And actually, you know what, I think, you know, I could use a little touch-up down below, but I'm scared because I don't like any pain.
Well, the nice part of these procedures, there's very little discomfort, and afterwards there's no pain at all. So during the procedure, I put a gel on top of the skin to make the skin numb, and the products are mixed with the numbing medicines, or I make your mouth numb, so that when we're doing the procedure, there's hardly any discomfort whatsoever. You may feel a little pressure when I sculpt the products,
Wow.
but the pain is minimal.
That's just incredible. I know people, you know, are a little gun shy, or they want to do shopping around for plastic surgery because, you know, it has this connotation of being extremely costly. But then again, we're talking about your face. So
Right.
what's your
Well,
feeling?
would you really go to the lowest common denominator when you are talking about your face? You only get one face, we all have one identity, and the object is to preserve that lovely, unique identity of a person. My patients, you asked why they come to me, is because I spend the time with them to discern what is best for them. So we look at their face. I'm very visual and I am very creative, so I can look at their faces and we discuss what will be optimal for them. So it's the time in the consultation, which can take 30 minutes to an hour, even before I do anything.
Right.
And then the actual procedures that I do are my own techniques that I have devised. And they do take quite a while for me to sculpt the face or the lift. They can take up to an hour for the radius and the juvederm. And again, it's something that I can't rush through, as opposed to other individuals who will do it very quickly and run an assembly line. That's not what I wish to do in my office. I want my patients to be pleased, satisfied, and that makes me very pleased and satisfied as well.
Well, that must be why you're number one. Okay, so wait, now with your glasses on, and I know you've had a moment to look, may I take advantage of your complimentary liquid facelift consultation?
Sure. Actually, the liquid facelift consultations for Botox, radius, juvederm, and IPL are complimentary, and I do that so that we can get an understanding of what the individual wishes, and then we go from there. And often we will do the procedure on the same day that they come in.
Thank you very much.
You're very
I've
welcome.
learned a lot and I'm excited, and you do a nice job. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.